How to redeem Roblox gift card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Roblox gift card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser, as Roblox gift cards can only be redeemed in a browser and they cannot be redeemed in the Roblox mobile app or any video game console. So, once you have opened your browser, tap on the search bar and search for www.roblox.com/redeem. Now, log yourself in or create an account. You will then see a text box here. Find your PIN or code and enter it into the text box on the website and tap on the redeem button, and a success message will appear when you successfully add the credit to your account. So, this is how you can redeem Roblox gift card. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.